Today we're baking a true Filipino classic, the rich and creamy egg pie. Let's start with the foundation of every great pie, a buttery, tender crust. Combine the flour, sugar, and cold butter, gently working until light and crumbly. Bring the dough together, wrap it carefully and let it rest in the fridge. Now for the star of the dessert, the silky egg custard filling. Warm the evaporated milk slowly, just enough to bring out its creamy richness. Whisk the eggs with sugar until smooth, pale, and beautifully blended. Gradually add the warm milk, whisking gently to create a velvety custard. Roll out the chilled dough and shape it into your pie pan. Carefully pour the custard into the crust. Smooth, glossy, and ready to bake. Bake slowly until the filling sets and the top turns golden. The perfect egg pie should have a gentle, delicate jiggle at the center. Patience is key. Allow the pie to cool completely. And there it is, creamy, smooth, and irresistibly delicious. A slice of comfort, tradition, and sweetness. Enjoy your homemade Filipino egg pie.